Hey guys, my name's Quinton. I am showing you my Craftsman half horsepower chain drive garage door opener. It's a 139.53930 manufactured of March 8th, 2011. Okay, I have two remotes programmed to this opener. I'm going to use one of them to open. That was my cat meowing at my mom. Don't worry about that. The safety sensors work. Now let's run it down. Now let's run it again. Now I'm gonna run it back down again. I got this remote on eBay today, earlier this afternoon. And I have another remote that I got for this opener earlier this afternoon as well. And as well the safety sensors that I was showing you. Okay. Let's go ahead and run the garage door opener one more time with this remote that I haven't used yet. And here we go. I didn't actually get this wall button at today. I got it from Sears. Actually 8.5 years ago. Alright. Now let's run it back down one more time, and then that will be it. That was my cat, Callie. Callie! Callie! That's my dog, Molly. What are you meowing for, Callie? I think you've seen her in my video already. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.